Green Human Resource Management for Balancing Sustainability in Performance, a case of manufacturing SME in Jiangxi Province, China. Introduction. Background. Green human resource management can be recognized as an approach that emphasizes supporting sustainable practices and increasing employee awareness and commitment to the issue of sustainability. This research is focusing on the manufacturing firm of Jiangxi Province named Jiangxi Nanchang Cement Company Limited. The company is mainly associated with producing and selling cement. The primary rationale behind the implementation of strategy associated with GHRM practices may include ensuring appropriate planning and resource allocation, maintaining appropriate time frames, ensuring skill standardization and training, long-term viability through resource management and sustainability and strategic planning. Problem statement of the study. One of the major challenges that took place in the process of implementation of GHRM within the manufacturing industry of China is striking a delicate balance between upholding the cultural and long-standing ideas and incorporating the principle of ESG into the CSR framework of the organization. In addition to this, the increasing concerns regarding the ways new initiatives for ESG in CSR can affect the performance and growth of the organization also hamper the operational activities within the organization. The primary rationale behind this is the complex interplay between ESG factors and operational effectiveness within the special setting of the manufacturing industry. Literature review. Importance of green human resource management in business growth. According to Han et al., effective and well-planned human resource management is significantly efficient in depicting the roles inside of an organization related to essential knowledge and control over the whole matter related to resource allocation. Similar to this aspect, as identified by Gomez, Sabino, Antunes, resource scheduling can be recognized as a process that is significantly used by more or less every organization in order to utilize all essential resources properly and complete essential tasks within the allocated time without any sort of delay. In addition to this, it has been identified that creating appropriate financial reports that consist all of the essential information related to budget, audit, and profit may support identifying and understanding the financial credibility of the organization. Significance of ESG. According to Amjad et al., environmental, social, and governance concerns have been significantly associated with gaining attention due to the events such as the rapid spread of the COVID-19 pandemic around the world. As deduced by Usliza et al., there are some specific ESG principles present that are associated with some specific guidelines that must be aligned within the organizational practices to incorporate environmental, social, and governance considerations in the process of investment decisions and active ownership as well. Considering all of these principles in the decision-making process may support the business owners in evaluating the long-term viability and societal effect of a company actions. Suitable infrastructure model in green human resource management system. As per the opinion of Abdullah al-Bakri, it has been identified that emphasizing on review of essential resources is significantly essential. This feature helps to implicate the business process, scheduling meetings, and many more. As deduced by Anwar et al., having better team members within the operational process with knowledge and understanding of different technological tools like AI technology, machine learning, and cloud computing may be significantly essential to manage all essential activities within the operational process without any sort of consequence. It also supports overcoming potential risks and challenges in the pathway of meeting organizational goals and objectives. Past studies. According to Yang et al., by taking initiatives for the implementation of green HR practices, such as car sharing, job sharing, electronic filing, teleconferencing, virtual interviews, recycling, online recruitment and training, and creating energy efficient office space, support business organizations operating in the manufacturing to save money and the environment along with improving employee engagement and retention as well. Effective initiatives towards environmentally friendly practices also support improving brand recognition and brand identity as well. Having a better base of human resources and making rational and effective decisions, organizations have effectively reduced the expenses, along with reducing their carbon footprint by adopting environmentally responsible practices and fostering a more welcoming and positive workplace culture as well. Methodology. The design associated with this research is a qualitative approach that is associated with collecting qualitative data with the help of interviews with the managers of the Jiangxi Nanchang Cement Company Limited. In addition to this primary research, also allows the researcher to control ownership of the collected data and minimize the chances of any sort of bias. The population that has been selected for the collection of relevant information is the managers of Jiangxi Nanchang Cement Company Limited, and the sample size of 2 consists of both of the human resource management of the organization. Findings. Category. Strategy associated with green human resource management to ensure sustainable growth of the business. Theme. Strategies of green human resource management. Sub-themes. Way to promote corporate green management system. Green recruitment strategies. Strategies of green human resource management. The importance for the application of the GHRM strategies has become significantly essential with the current business, as it is essential in increasing manifold with the passage of time. The initiatives associated with GHRM does not limit to increasing awareness towards different environmental affairs. However, standing for the social and economic well-being of the organization and the employees within a broader prospect as well. Way for promoting corporate green management system. Application of initiatives for green employee relations has been considered in order to successfully establish an effective employee relationship. One of the major initiatives to ensure effective sustainable growth may include a partner's office. Significantly depending on a business and learning has changed the method and procedures at offices to successfully convert them into partners' offices. The utilization of EHR has significantly supported helping management and employees to easily track carbon emissions and promote the extensive use of energy-saving machines and technologies. Green recruitment strategies, including some effective green strategies for the purpose of recruitment, also support the application of sustainable practices effectively without any sort of consequences. The primary rationale behind the inclusion of green recruitment strategies is to reduce the energy use and pollution associated with the manufacturing, transporting, and recycling of products. Moreover, candidates would require to send the required information and data about their degree and past experiences as soft copies. This reduces the paper population and ensures sustainable business practices. Discussions. Human resource management practices are considered as of the most essential and significant essence of an organization that play an effective role in managing the employees, along with ensuring sustainability within the business practices. In addition to this, currently, the trends for greening the business have been increasing day by day, which encourages organizations to incorporate the green HR philosophy in corporate mission statements along with HR policies. Suggestion for further study. Based on the findings and discussion of this research, it can be suggested that future researchers must emphasize identifying specific tools and technologies in human resource management that make the practices green and support ensuring sustainable organizational practices with the manufacturing sectors. Conclusion. Green human resource management are the practices and policies of HRM for ensuring sustainable use of resources within the organizational practices of the manufacturing firms can be easy. All these practices include the philosophies and policies that promote sustainable HRM practices and ensure ecological usage of business resources and minimize the chances of any sort of harmful environmental effect.